Hey, let's speak English together. I'm going to ask you some simple questions, and you can answer them out loud. Just read the green text on the screen. Practice every day, and you'll feel your speaking getting better. Ready? Let's go. Hi, how are you today? I'm great, thanks. What time do you usually wake up? Nice. Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you go to work or study? How do you go to work? By car or by bus? What do you do in the afternoon? Do you have lunch at home or at work? What time do you finish work? What do you do in the evening? Do you cook dinner? What time do you go to bed? That's a nice routine. Do you like your daily routine? What is your favorite part of the day? Why do you like the evening? Do you exercise? How long do you walk? What do you do on weekends? That sounds fun. Thank you for talking with me. See you next time. What is your favorite part of the day? Write your answer in the comments.